I hear lots of people whining about you can't save a deposit anymore. Today we're heading into Aldi because we're going to save you some money. So let's go find 10 items that are cheaper than heading to Coles. Aldi Cafe? Aldi Cafe? Schnackos. No, this. Get yourself some schnackos. Car wheels. Oh, that's the good stuff. The power grain. Who needs Nutri-Grain? You got power grain. Who needs Ritz when you got Tops? Sprinter's barbecue. Poor man's chips. We'll take them. Oh, we've also got Snack Stack. Look at that. No Pringles, but sour cream and chives. Oh, I got a headache. Get me some Hedafen. Can't even hold it properly. For your headache after watching this video. Jump lemon. Let's go. Jump lemon. And sunlit. Let's get lit. Perfect. $26.75. We're ready to go. And now we're heading to Coles to see how much it costs there. We're off, ladies and gentlemen. I'm tempted right now to go via Subway. But I'm saving my pennies for this house deposit, so we're not going to do that. But if I buy two, it's cheaper, right? Because it's 2 for $6. So does that math work? How much is one? $4! $4! That feels like it's double Aldi. Oh well. Now I don't even drink coffee, but this seems a lot more expensive to me. Ah, the original Ritz. $5.50! But it does say wagon wheels. So $5.50, I guess we got to pay it. $5, and it's small. It's not really a big packet. Do they have the party size? I don't see the party size. Oh yes. Come to the party size. $8.50. Spend more, save more. $8.50. Let's go to the party size. Oh, they're on sale. They're on sale. $3.50. We'll have to go the real Pringles. I feel like Fanta Zero Sugar should be Lift, but we don't have Lift, so we're going Fanta Lemon Zero Sugar. Healthy, right? Oh. Sunkist, well, this is the closest thing we have to Sunkist, but Fanta Orange. Let's give that one a go. Bargain. Half price. Half price.
Except we got 500 grams.
But if I buy 2 of these, I get 600 grams. For what, $7? What's the right size? Oh, see, it's cheaper. I've got to buy 2 of these. Okay, we're playing games. I'm not going to spend $9 for 450. Oh, that's the reduced sugar. $9 for 470 grams. I'm going to go 2 for 290 grams. Just shy of 600 grams for $6. We're making deals in Coles. We're negotiating. $4.75. Nurofen Advance. It's going to help my headache, hopefully. $6, it's like double. That was $56. So pretty much for double the price, we got the same products at Aldi. If you do that every week, you're going to be saving $25, and that's just a small shop. Imagine if you're doing a $100 or a $150 shop. You're going to be saving $75 a week.